Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Chase debit cards, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you order a new Chase debit card? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to order a new Chase debit card? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you lost your other Chase debit card, or maybe the other one's just worn out, so sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Chase app. It's this blue and white app right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my Chase app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Chase app. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to order a new Chase debit card, what you need to do is just scroll down to the checking account that you need a debit card for. I only have one checking account with Chase. It's going to be right here, so I'm going to click on that account now. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see your recent transactions in that checking account with Chase. However, in order to order a new Chase debit card, you want to click on this line right here called Manage Account. It has a little arrow next to it. Once you click there, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and in order to order a new Chase debit card, you want to click on this button here on the top left. It's called Replace a Lost or Damaged Card. So let me click there. Okay, so here you get to choose which debit card you'd like to replace. So I only have this one debit card right here at the top, so let me click on that. Once you click there, you want to click on this blue Next button here at the bottom. Okay, so once you click there, you have to choose what the situation is. If you choose that your card is lost, your current Chase debit card is going to be canceled and you'll receive a new Chase debit card in the mail. Now, if your card is damaged, if it's not working properly, you want to choose this one, and the card number is going to remain the same, but the expiration date and 3-digit security code will change. And then lastly, same thing here. If you never received your card in the mail, they're going to have to change the debit card number and send you a new one. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose this one right here. Card is damaged. Once you click on the option, like you said, it's going to give you a little bit more information as to what's going to happen with your current card number. So they let me know here I can continue to use my Chase debit card until I get my new one. Next, you want to click on this blue Next button here at the bottom. Next, you're going to get this confirmation screen confirming the address that you want to have this sent to, also which card you're going to be replacing, and then with the reason why the card is being ordered again for Chase. If all that looks good to you and you'd still like to go ahead and order a new Chase debit card, you want to click on this blue Replace Card button here at the bottom. Now they do let you know in standard delivery you're going to receive it in 5 to 7 business days. However, if you're shipping to a PO box or an international address, obviously it's going to take a little bit longer. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to order a new Chase debit card in the mobile app, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.